Hello everyone. So this is the part 5 of post exploitation. I have already covered 4 lectures, so we will continue on part 5. So in this lecture, I will let you know how you can execute the command on your target server. After the hacked your server or your target, then how you can execute the command. Guys, in part 3, I have already let you know how you can hack the server. So I will start from after the hacking things. Let's assume we have hacked a server, which I have covered in part 3. So you have not seen if part 3, then you have to first go to that part 3, then come to on this lecture. So after that hacking, what command we can execute, like what we can download file, what we can upload file on the server. So these all things I will let you know in this video. So guys, for the refresh, I will let you know I'm using two server here. If you see here, there are two machine, Metasploit and Kali Linux. So Metasploit machine is that machine where I practical or where my site is hosted. So you can see this is the Metasploit machine IP, and there are 5 websites for the testing. So if you see, there is a DVWA website where I have already upload a backdoor in part 3, right? So for the same backdoor, I will try to connect from here. So this is the command where I will try to connect with the backdoor. This is the tool and this is the path. Guys, in part 3 post exploitation, I have already upload that backdoor onto the target server. Now I'm trying to connect with that server, right? So let's execute that command. So you will see I am able to connect that my backdoor, and backdoor, if you see my local IP, this one 128 in last, and this is the server IP. That means this is your website IP or your target website IP. So now you can see I am able to connect with my backdoor. That means I am able to hack that system, because in part 3 I have already upload that backdoor into the system. So you can also visit that lecture to see how I upload that. So for now, just concentrate on the execute command on here, right? So I have already write a command on the notepad for you. So guys, for example, if you want something download from your server, whatever you have hacked on your local, so how you can do that? So just paste. So this is the command, and file upload is the command which we use in Kali Linux, right? So this is the command, and shell.php is the file which we are trying to download. And in this path, this is my local path root, and shell.php is the file name. So before this, first I will let you know where I am. If you type pwd, so you will get the path, this path. So I am in this path, and in this path, if you see ls, so you will see there are list of file. You can see there is a list of file where you will see there is a shell.php, which file I am trying to download, right? I am trying to download into the local because this is in server, right? So just again paste your command. So you see this is the file download, and this is a shell.php file, this file, right? This one, and this is my local root in Kali Linux, and file name is shell.php, right? If you try to change this name, you can also change this name shell.php to anything, because this file will download and will replace with the name whatever we will give here, right? So if you enter, so our command is execute. If you go to the local system, so just go to your files here and search shell, sh. Guys, this is the shell.php file here. I am deleting this one to make clear. So we have download the file shell.php, right? So this is how you can download the file from the server to local. Now vice versa, I will upload a file from local to server, right? For example, if you choose the ls here, so you will get there is no file which I will upload. What I will upload, let copy the command, copy and paste that command on here. So this is the function which we can use in Kali Linux file upload. And this is my local path. You already know in my local shell.php I have the file. Now this is the path where I can upload. Dot thing will that means in current directory I want to upload, and file name will be shell. If I shell dev.php, that means file upload will work to upload a file from this path and this file into the current path, and shell with the shell dev.php name. It that means I have renamed the name shell dev.php when I upload into the server, right? Just enter here, so you will get on server this file. Just enter. We have written true. Now type the command ls. So once you type the ls command, so guys, you will get that file which I have uploaded from the local. That means we can any file, anything we can upload onto the target system once we have hacked. Guys, this is very critical, so that's why I always say my all videos for the educational purpose, and it's on you how you use that videos. And this is very useful information. If you have like hack a server, so how you can download the file from server, how you can upload the file onto the server, and how you can remove the files. There are multiple things which you can do on the server, right? So I have let you know how you can download and how you can upload. Now I will let you know about the remove. If you want something, some like meaningful file or useful file or important file, if you want to delete, how you can there. So just type rm we use for the remove, and just type your file name shell dev.php. If you enter here, so you will get this file is removed from our list. So you just type the ls command here and enter. So you will see previously we are able to get shell-dev.php, but here you will see there is no shell.php file. So that means with the command of rm, through that we have removed the shell-dev.php file. So guys, this is all in this video. You can also practice from your own local server or your maybe your target, whatever. You can practice all these things, then you will get a better understanding how the things will work, right? So guys, this is the part 5. In part 4 I have already let you know about the like multiple execution command, so you can also visit that lecture. And in part 3, this is the important. In part 3 I have let you know how we can hack a server or how we can hack a website. So these all lecture are totally based on part 3, because the main things which we have hacked, that is in part 3. Right, please subscribe my channel to get the upcoming latest hacking videos, and I will give the link into the description for the all post exploitation parts, and the my playlist link and hacking tutorial, so you will get all the videos to practice or to get an idea. So this is all in this video. So that's all. Thank you.